Yeah, hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Salesforce real-time scenarios. So in the previous video, we discussed about today how we are hold the selected records and how we are going to add it by the comments and how to map to the comments and stage name to the particular opportunities, which opportunities we are selected that opportunity. And finally, we have to update it by those opportunities. After updating the opportunities, we have to display by the message. Eventually, we are displayed it successfully updated the opportunity. This we have discussed in the previous video. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about the how we are going to display the message if we are not found the records within the selected date range. So, how we are going to handle that? Let's see the in this video. Come to the here. So here we have to get it by the opportunities. After that, we have to identify. Okay, after that, we have to identify this here. So take by the one decision. So here we have to take it by the opportunity decision, opportunities decision otherwise. Okay. So if records are found, so how to identify the records found or not? So we have the get it by the records to the in this right get opportunities. So if you get it by the get opportunities is null false. Is null false nothing but we are fetch the records from the database. So that's why here is false. Null is the false. So this is the records found scenario. And take it by the records not found scenario. Records not found. So if records not found means it is the null, right? Get opportunities records is null true. Means it is a empty list. Empty list. So that's why here there is no records found. So here we have to the true. If it is null means we have to display by the message no records found for the selected date range. This is message we have to display. So here we have to take it by the screen flow. Records not found screen. So display text. So here records not found text name. So here no records found selected date range. So just info, this is we are giving to the info. So this is we have to align to the center, bold, and some message type. So we have to give it by some different color. Understanding purpose, we have to take it by the different color. Okay, something information like this. Click on done. It is the display by the information, no record found, selected date range. So click on done. Okay, this is screen name. So records not found screen. Okay. So this is the screen name. So if your records is found, we have to navigate to this one, right? We have to do this one, cut it by here. So we have to paste it by here. And this one also we have to cut it. Navigate to the here. This one also we have add element means full element will be the edit. Okay. So now here cut it, paste it by the here. Loop also same. So after that, we have the updated the records, right? This one also be the cut it by the here. And finally, success screen, right? This is we have to the success screen also. We have to give it by the here. So this is the our decision. Okay, let's save this up to here first. So here you have to observe in the decision, if a records is found, this is the navigation. In existing navigation, this is. And if it is records not found, we have to give it by the records not found screen, that is the screen. Okay, so let's debug to the here first. Run. So for example, I am selecting the March 1st to April 1st. I think we have the record, so that's why here up here, go to the previous screen. Let's I'm selecting the date. Okay, March 28th to this one. I think still we have the date. So same date I'm taking. So no records from the selected date range. Okay, it is up here now. So this is the like this, we have to display by the message. Let's activate this. Let's come to the here screen. We have the refresh by this one. I think so we don't have the May records. So let's take by the same records. So no records found. We are giving the different date range, but it is not showing the records. Okay. If it is records found, we can go to the selected by the which records. That records we have to display within the another screen, which records we are selecting. And after that, we are giving by the closed last comment. Then finally, we are updated the records. Okay. So that is the success scenario. This is the if records not found the scenario. I hope how we are implemented this. I hope it is clear how we are implemented by this use case. So, and also after completion of this use case, you learned about these things, how to add the date fields into the screen flow and how to get the records conditionally, right? We have to select the start date and date and which records is not closed, that records we are conditionally getting, right? And how to display the list of the records in the data table. We are using the data table, and how to add the columns in the data table as well we have. And after that, how to hold by the selected record. This is also we have the implemented, right? Which records we are selected, that is the we are stored into the another list of the variable. And after that, we can loop to the selected records and assign to the some values, right? Stage name equals to close last, and we are added by the comments to the description. And finally, we are adding to the those records. Which records we are assigning, that records we are adding into the another list. How to add to the records to the list. This is also we have covered. And how to update it by the list of the records. We are updating the records, right? So how we are updated by the list of the records. And decision, before that we have to the either success records found or records not found decision. This is we are implemented. And finally, we have to display by the message if it is the records found and we have the updated the records, we display by the successfully updated by the selected records. And if you not found the any records with selected the date range, we are displayed by the no records found the selected date range. This message we are populated to the user to understanding purpose. Okay. So this is the overall use case and what we are learning the objectives in this use case. I hope it is helpful to you and it is useful to you, right? I think so. So stay tuned for the more videos. Thank you.